In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Yahoo Mail verification code problem, something many Yahoo Mail users have encountered. If you've ever tried to log into your Yahoo account and faced issues with the verification code not arriving at your email or phone, don't worry, you're not alone. This process can be a bit frustrating, but I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to troubleshoot this issue effectively. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to login.yahoo.com. This is the starting point for accessing your Yahoo Mail. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to type in your Yahoo email address in the designated field. It's crucial to double-check for any typos at this stage to prevent any unnecessary errors that might hinder your progress. After entering your email address, look for the Next button and give it a click. This action will take you to the page where you will need to enter your password. Make sure to input your password carefully, as this will minimize the chance of any login issues. If you're using a shared device, remember to uncheck any boxes that offer to remember your credentials to maintain your privacy and security. Once your password is correctly entered, hit the Next button. After a successful login, you will find yourself on your Yahoo Mail dashboard. Now, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile photo beside the envelope icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this drop-down menu, you will need to select Manage Your Account. This will open a new window or tab displaying your account settings. We'll want to focus on your account security settings next. Find and click on the option labeled Security. Within the Security section, scroll down until you reach the Verification Methods segment. Here, you can view your registered mobile number and recovery email address. It's crucial at this point to verify that these details are current and correct. The verification code must be sent to the right contact method to ensure you receive it promptly. If you find that your mobile number or recovery email is outdated or incorrect, there's no need to worry. Simply click the link provided to add an email address or add a phone number, and then enter your updated contact information. Doing so will ensure that future verification codes are sent to the proper location, helping resolve the issue of not receiving them. And just like that, you've successfully walked through the process of troubleshooting the Yahoo Mail verification code issue. Remember, keeping your recovery information up to date is key to a smooth login process in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Yahoo Mail verification code problems.